How to create an app password for your Zoho account. If you're ever wondering why you can sometimes connect your Zoho email account to certain apps, we've got you covered here. In this video, I'll show you how to create an app password for your Zoho account and use it in a tool where it's necessary. An app password for Zoho is a 12-digit passcode that gives apps or devices permission to access your email account. First, go to your Zoho mail settings by clicking on the My Profile icon and selecting Admin Console. Once there, navigate to the Security and Compliance page and then the Security tab. Now, to create an app password, you need to have the two-factor authentication turned on. App passwords can only be used with accounts that have it enabled. After enabling two-factor authentication in Zoho App Settings, you must head to your Zoho Account Settings. On the left panel, click on the Security tab and then the App Passwords tab. Here you'll need to click on the Generate New Password button and then enter the app name. For example, I'll name this one Warmup and click the Generate button. And that's it. The app password is generated in the form of a 12-digit code. Remember that when you close this tab, you won't be able to view your app password again. So it's better to copy it and use it right away. You can always create a new one if needed. If you no longer use this app or want to remove access to it, you can delete the password. App passwords aren't recommended to connect your account directly in some apps. It's best to use the normal account one, especially if some tools won't allow connection when two-factor authentication is enabled. But in some cases, an app password is required, and I'll show you now with an example of activating the warm-up process for a Zoho account. In Woodpecker app, head to your account settings, and then for the Zoho account you've connected there, click on the option to activate warm-up. You'll have to provide your name and then paste the copied app password. After entering everything, click on the Add Warm-up button. If all goes well, you will see a message that the addition was successful. You can create multiple app passwords for different purposes, but remember that each app password after generating can be used only once. Just name them accordingly and follow the steps in the tool you want to use them. Thank you for watching this video, I hope it was helpful, and see you next one. Bye!